Price to sell, unpacking the meaning. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, price to sell. This phrase is commonly used in the context of sales and marketing, and understanding it can really help you grasp some nuances of English, especially in a business setting. So, let's dive in. The phrase, price to sell, indicates that an item is being offered at a low or attractive price, primarily to encourage quick sales. This pricing strategy is often used when the seller wants to sell the item quickly, maybe due to urgency, an upcoming new stock, or simply to clear space. It implies that the price is set competitively, often lower than the usual market value or competitors' prices. Price to sell is most commonly used in real estate and retail contexts. For instance, a house that's priced to sell might be listed at a lower price than other homes in the area to attract more buyers and sell quickly. In retail, a product labeled as price to sell suggests it's a great deal and shouldn't be missed. Understanding this phrase can be particularly useful when shopping or doing business in English-speaking countries. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. This car is priced to sell, it won't be on the market for long. 2. Our store has many items priced to sell this weekend, great bargains everywhere. 3. As we are moving out, all our furniture is priced to sell quickly. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various sentences and contexts. It's important to note that price to sell doesn't always mean the cheapest option available. It's about value for money and the attractiveness of the price for a quick sale. Also, be cautious as sometimes this phrase can be used as a marketing strategy to attract buyers, even when the price isn't significantly low. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, price to sell, and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context and culture in which it is used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.